Hello dear student of class 6. Welcome to DAV Moyle Public School online e-learning session of social science. I am your social science teacher Mr. Manish sir, and today we are going to learn about district administration. Dear student, district administration means the management of the task of government so far as it lies within on are legally recognized as district. District administration means the management of the task of the government so far as it lies within on are legally recognized as district. So we can say in simple way the administration in district. It is district administration. Okay. Here, the district administration. We know the most of the day-to-day problems are solved by local bodies. Every district is an important unit of administration. In India, has been divided into over 676 districts in our country. The head of the district is called district officer or deputy commissioner or district collector, or you can say district magistrate. He is a IAS officer. He is an officer in Indian Administrative Service, means IAS officer, whose selection is made on the basis of All India Competitive Examination, Union Public Service Commission UPSC. The key officials at the district levels are district collector, superintendent of police means SP, district education officer means EO, district agriculture officer DAO, and district forest officer. Here, the levels of the district administration. It is the below level of the district administration. A Tahsildar looks after the maintenance of land records and collections of land revenue at Tahsil level. A Tahsil is subdivision of the district. Next one is Kanungo. Kanungo is an official who works under Tahsildar but supervises the work of the some patwaris under him. And Patwari maintains the revenue of pertaining of land of a particular area in village also, be it a village or city or a part of the city. So these are the some levels of the district administration. You see the function. So district administration has some function. Some functions of the deputy commissioner means collector, district collector, to maintain law and order in the district. We know to maintaining law and order in the district, it is the functions of the collector. Collector gives order to Tahsildar and Tahsildar gives order to Patwari. Okay. To collect revenue, maintain land records and promote development of activities in district, it is the functions of deputy commissioner in district. Deputy commissioner collect revenue, maintain land records and promote developmental activities in district, making playground, all that things. To coordinate the activities of different departments in the district which are headed by the special district officer. special district officer. For example, we can say the district education officer looks after the educational activities. See, this is a picture in the code. Okay, leave it. Now see, the collector and deputy commissioner. This is the chain in the district administration. See, the collector or deputy commissioner, maintenance of law and order, maintenance of land record and land revenue, collecting of the land revenues, civic amenities and development. These are the three functions of the deputy commissioner or collector in the district administration. And this chain complete this task of the collector. See, in first is superintendent of police, means SP, deputy superintendent of police, inspector, sub-inspector, assistant sub-inspector, head constable and constable. These people are responsible for maintenance of the law and order in below level. In upper level, collector is the responsible for it. Okay. Next one is maintenance of the land records and collections of the land revenue. The chain Tahsildar, deputy Tahsildar means Nayab Tahsildar, revenue inspector and village administrative officer. This is the chain for maintenance of the land records and collection of the land revenue. These peoples are responsible for maintaining of land records and collections of the land revenue. In upper level, collector is responsible for that. And civic amenities and development means providing the good health to the people, good health facilities to the people. So district civil surgeon or a chief medical officer, CMO, chief educational officer, district planning officer, executive engineer, urban local bodies and panchayat raj are responsible for civic amenities. And in upper level, collector is responsible for that. So this is the chain of district administration for their functions. I hope you understand this chain. So dear student, here assignment questions on today's topic. You should write these questions with its answer in your notebook. I hope you understand today's topic. Thank you for watching today's online video. Have a nice day ahead.